This is our biggest project ever, and I literally mean our biggest project ever, because this is a 1988 Freightliner semi-truck with a custom-built 6,000-pound plow on the front of it, and we built it for one reason only: to destroy everything in its path. And that brings us to here, a World War II airstrip with a half-mile of cars, campers, boats, bouncy houses, barrels, and everything else we could think of to answer the question, what will stop that thing? And there's really only one way to find out.